What's up guys, welcome to another video session on Python series. So in this video, a very short video, we will be covering upon what is enumerate function. What's that enumerate function in Python? Let's start the session. We will be creating a new lecture 28. By the way, like it's lecture 28, let's create that lecture. Hindi version of this will also be available. I have some list, like let's create a list. Why should I create a list? Let's copy it from somewhere else. Like, okay, I close lecture 28 as well. Oh my bad, lecture 26. Yeah, open this lecture 23 and lecture 20. अरे by the way मैं double click कर रहा हूँ पर ये हो नहीं रहा. MB में click करूँगा. I have this list. And enumerate function, what it will be doing, it will I can work with indexes so that easily, like I can work with indexes. So for example, let's go with for index comma item enumerate, and inside this what let's drop it down enumerate, and it will returns a iterable. So here what I have to pass, I have to pass this list. Now easily I can index, I can work with indexes, like if I write index equal to 0. If it is index equal to 0, then I have to print the item, otherwise I don't want to print the item. That kind of stuff, whatever you can, you're free to write as per your scenario. Like let's print this. Okay, let's run this, and what did I'm getting a meet because index equal to 0, then I have to write a meet. Otherwise, if you're not using that, you have to declare a variable like index. Then you have to what you can do, what you have to do, you have to do plus that, and that kind of stuff. You have to update it as well. So this is very easy. Like you can go with the enumerate, you will get an index as well as item. You don't have to update that index as well, and you can filter out the data on the basis of index. So this was a small video on enumerate. If you like this video, like press that like button. Also smash the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Bye everyone.
ये क्या है